Alright, so it's finally installed. It's a long day, but I got it installed in there. So this is what it looked like. It's huge, really huge. So that's the hook it up into my PlayStation, and here's the settings for the TV. And you got picture mode, sounds, network. Well, it's not connected to a network. I don't have internet here yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See if we could try to go apps. And here's actually the remote. So at the bottom you got Netflix and Prime. So it seems like this TV built in with Netflix. It's loading. And that's, by the way, my old TV. It's a sharp 65 inches. So you can compare it to 85 inches, right? So no, it's not going anywhere. Let's just exit that. And yeah, so you wanna try to play the game. As you can see, all right, the graphics on this thing, it's really good. I mean, you can look around, and it's a huge, really huge TV. It will satisfy your eyes. What to expect with this TV is it's not much. It doesn't come much. This is what it comes. You have the stand, right, to both sides, and some hardware screws, manual, and some troubleshooting tips, and a remote. This is pretty much it you get for this TV, right? So it's on sale right now on Walmart. I paid around $999 for this TV, so it's not too bad. It's a good upgrade. So yeah, that's all you get for this TV. Other than that, it's a good TV. So let's play the movie. So I already started it, so we can just resume. All right.
It's not about being a struggling man, dog. It's about being a big one.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching.